Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a coffee lover who's tired of juggling separate machines for espresso shots, lattes and drip brews, or dealing with complicated setups that take forever to clean and don't deliver cafe quality results at home, then get buzzed because today we're brewing up a game-changing all-in-one. It's the Ninja Luxe Café Espresso Maker and Drip Coffee Maker. This sleek machine handles everything from bold espresso and creamy cappuccinos to smooth drip coffee, with an integrated frother for hands-free milk foaming and customizable brew sizes. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want pro-level coffee drinks without the barista price tag or mess, this is the upgrade that'll make your mornings luxurious and effortless. Let's dive in and see why it's a luxe choice in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the Ninja Luxe Café Espresso Maker and Drip Coffee Maker. This is a versatile all-in-one machine with a 60-ounce removable water reservoir for fewer refills, and it uses Barista Assist technology to guide you through brews with automatic adjustments for perfect extraction. For espresso, it has a 15-bar pump for rich crema, with options for single or double shots. And the integrated steam wand froths milk hands-free for lattes, cappuccinos, or macchiatos. It even has cold foam settings for iced drinks. The drip coffee side brews up to 12 cups with 4 strength settings from classic to rich and adjustable brew sizes from small cup to full carafe. The design is compact at 12.2 inches wide, 15.9 deep, 14.8 high, weighing about 15.4 pounds. It fits on counters without dominating space, with a modern black and stainless finish. It has a built-in tamper for espresso grounds, a portafilter for easy loading, and the frother is adjustable for different milk types like dairy or plant-based. Setup is simple. Fill the water, plug in, and use the intuitive touchscreen with illuminated buttons for selecting brews. It preheats fast in under 90 seconds for espresso. Priced around $349, it comes with a scoop, tamper, and recipe guide to get you started on cafe favorites. Versatility is a standout. Make hot or iced espresso drinks, customize drip coffee strength, or even use the frother alone for hot chocolate. The hands-free foaming means no manual steaming, and the machine self-cleans the frother after each use. Now, pros and cons to keep it honest. The pros are Brewing Luxe. All-in-one convenience for espresso and drip without multiple machines. Hands-free frothing for perfect lattes every time. Customizable settings for personalized drinks. Fast preheat and brew times for busy mornings. And easy cleanup with removable parts that are dishwasher safe. Users love the cafe quality crema on espresso, the rich flavor in drip coffee, and how it saves money on daily coffee runs. It's quiet, user-friendly, and delivers consistent results. On the cons side, the espresso side requires fine grounds or pods, which might need experimenting for best taste. The machine is a bit large for very small counters. Some note the frother can splatter if not positioned right, and a few mention occasional leaks if not assembled properly, though most say it's reliable long-term. Overall, pros dominate for coffee enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the Ninja Luxe Café Espresso Maker and Drip Coffee Maker if you love variety in your coffee routine, and the pros like all-in-one versatility, hands-free features, and cafe-quality drinks make sense for your home. It's ideal for families, home baristas, or anyone wanting to skip the coffee shop lines without sacrificing taste. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your caffeine buzzing, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a coffee buddy, or subscribe for more. See you next time.